Today I'm going to show you a little wrap stitch tutorial. The first thing you need to do is knit in pattern up until the point where you need to do the wrap stitch. Here we're going to do about 4 stitches. Bring that working yarn to the front, then slip the last 2 stitches you did back to your left needle. Now that yarn's in the front, you're going to swing it around to the back and put those 2 knit stitches back on your right needle. Bring the yarn to the front again and move the 2 stitches back to the left needle. Now bring the yarn to the back and slip the knit stitches back onto the right needle. That's your wrap stitch. Now continue knitting in pattern. Now you're going to purl the next row, just as you would in any other pattern. Make sure you purl every stitch, so the wrap stitch is made up of 2 stitches. There's your purl row. You can see your wrap stitch, those 2 lines. So let's try that again. Go ahead and knit. We'll knit 6. Use these 2 stitches for your wrap stitch. Swing that yarn to the front, 2 stitches back to the left needle, yarn to the back, stitches to the right needle, yarn to the front, stitches to the left needle, yarn to the back, stitches to the right needle, and continue knitting. It's really quick once you get the hang of it. Hope you liked it.